snake.
Hello guys, this is Mars Pets and I got a garden snake in my hand, so we're about to let all the animals go. Toad, garden snake, and millipede, worm I guess, and
Let's get a close up on the snake.
And the green thingy in there. And a grasshopper.
Cricket. Yep. Alright, let's let him go.
What you go this way?
No. Let him go that way so you can get back.
Woo! Can I touch it one time?
Yeah.
Cause I miss him. Hey, I can't catch him.
There you go, there.
Alright, I got this.
Alright, let's see it in the video first. Put it in the
I'll get him on my shirt, then let him go.
You can throw him in the water. You can see him swim away.
Yeah, I'll put him right here.
Alright.
Because I want to try to take care of him. They might come back, you know?
And there's a frog right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Me and him gonna try to get that guy.
This look like...
Now, we caught a baby one. The one I showed you, we didn't catch that one, but we ended up catching this one. No, that first one was a frog, but this is a baby frog.
I gotta do it.
We're gonna let this guy, and we're gonna let this guy go too.
Yeah. It's fat. I remember when we catch 2 big frogs.
Alright, it's Mars Pets. Ms. Morse, we out here.